Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get back into this phone if you was to ever forget your PIN code. Okay, so if you forget your PIN code and you simply just cannot remember it, this is the video for you to get back into the phone. Also, what I'm about to show will also work if your fingerprint reader no longer works and you've also forgot your PIN code, so you just simply cannot get back into the phone. Or maybe you have the face recognition set as your lock screen security, but you damaged the front facing camera. Maybe you dropped the phone, you've got a crack on the camera so it no longer detects your face, so you're locked out of the phone. Whatever the case may be, this is the video for you to remove the lock screen security, whether it be the password or the face unlock or the fingerprint. So yeah, however, be warned guys, what I'm about to show, it's gonna wipe the device totally clean, so you're gonna lose all your personal data. Maybe you've got some personal pictures, videos on the phone. You're gonna lose all of that. However, at the end of the day guys, you'll be able to get back into the phone, so that's the greatest thing. So anyway, just follow the steps that I'm about to show. Okay, so as you can see, I've got my fingerprint set. I've also got face recognition set and also my PIN codes. So I've got all three lock screen securities. All three biometrics, sorry, set as my lock screen security. So yeah, I'm going to show you what to do to get back into the phone. So just simply long press on the power button on the side. Just keep it held down and select power off. And just wait for it to switch off. And then you're going to press the volume up button and the power button at once. So let's go ahead and do that. So volume up and the power button. Just keep them held and then you can let go. Okay, so once you're on this screen here, just select clear data and then select factory reset. And here you just need to enter the word yes. So type in yes. So Y-E-S. And then hit done. Then select factory reset. And it will say, warning, to avoid system error, please do not press and hold the power button. And as you can see, it's now doing the factory reset. Reset successful. And then select go back. Then select restart. Okay, so whilst it's rebooting, you will need to get your login details, your Gmail login details ready. That's for security purposes. So you will need to use the Gmail account that you was logged into on the phone. So these modern day phones have a thing called FRP, which is the factory reset protection. So you will need to log in using your Google account details that you have tied to the phone. So it has to be a Google account that you've used on this phone before. In that way, it proves that this phone is your phone. You haven't stolen it and done a factory reset. Because obviously, if you steal the phone or if you find it and you do a factory reset, you will need to enter the details that were the Google account details, what were on the phone, and you will not know those details, so you won't be able to use the phone. Okay, so just go through the setup. Okay, let me just connect to the Wi-Fi real quick. Okay, so this is what I was talking about the FRP security thing. So enter your lock screen pin to activate this device. Obviously, you can't do that because you don't remember it. So you have to select use my Google account instead. And as it says, this device was reset to continue signing with a Google account that was previously synced on this device. So now's the time to log into your Google account. Okay, so let me just put that there. Hopefully that's the right account details. And then select use new account. And I can just skip through that, hopefully. And bam, we're back into the phone. All passwords and lock screen security biometrics have been removed and then back in. So yeah guys, that's how you get back into the phone if you have forgot your password on the Honor Magic 5 Lite. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one guys. Deuces.